Guys, welcome to another video, and this is just a trade recap video. I'm going to show you guys the trades that I took today, why I took them, and also how they went. And I'll tell you now, it was two losses and one break-even trade. But it could have been a break-even day, but yeah, I'm down 2 losses, currently on a losing streak, but I'll recover. This is how trading really is. You know, the results are very random. You can't be guaranteed to get something. But let me tell you exactly how my day went and what I was looking at. So near USD, I was looking at the daily. There wasn't much for me to do, to really look at. There was just a bearish candle, but couldn't help me much. And then I dropped down onto my 4-hour time frame. Let me just do this, where I was looking at price. It came into 4H demand right here, this big 4H zone just below the gap. And I was looking at price from a bearish perspective, because I already had my bias down here and I thought price was fitting it perfectly well. So I was looking to follow it. Tried to take a sell just on the M15 time frame, because the structure was already bearish as well. I tried to take a sell right when price was mitigating the M15 demand, which is also just a bad decision sometimes. But I still consider this a value trade for me, so not a bad loss to take. And I was targeting just below the supply zone the demand zone into another demand zone. And there's the trade that I took. It was a loss right here. And now price is really bullish. Well, it looks like it wants to be bullish. Exactly what it did. Currently pushing up, as you can see. And going on to gold, where I took my other trades. Why isn't it marked? Bro, what the heck? Okay, on gold, looking at the daily. On gold, looking at the daily, there wasn't much for me to look at. So then I skipped this time frame straight onto the 4H time frame. Then I was looking for any bias, bullish or bearish, that I could get from here. And looking at the 4H, I could see price was actually just ranging, as you can see right now. From then, I was just waiting for my M15 to guide me and then come back to the 4H time frame to see if things are matching from what the M15 time frame is saying. But I still had my bias for the 4H right here that I was looking to follow up with, and price seemed to be matching it because we had swept liquidity up here. And then when it gave choke, which is confusing now, because it could be a liquidity sweep, but that's all right. Let's see. Dropping down to the M15 in the morning, just at around 9:30, I took a sell and price went straight to my stop loss. Crazy stuff. And one of my guys, one of my boys, took a buy down here and targeted somewhere around there. While I was busy taking a loss, this guy was busy taking a win, which is crazy. Right after taking a loss right there, I tried to take another trade, still with the bearish bias, because that's what I was getting from gold. And looking at what price had done previously, price had moved up and wicked just above here. So I would have expected price to at least come back and tick below here, sweep liquidity, and then do what it's going to do afterwards, in which I expected it to do that, but also just continue going down. So I had bearish bias on it, but clearly it's bullish, as you guys can see. And after price swept liquidity into the supply zone, then pushed a bit lower and then pushed higher, swept liquidity even again, and then came in and gave choke to the downside. I was looking to enter straight up, and I dropped onto that dropped onto my M5 time frame. Then I decided to take a shot right here. just like this, with this zone covered up to there. I was targeting the M15 strong swing because I was anticipating an internal reversal. And as you can see, price actually pushed in the direction that I had anticipated and did what I was looking for previously. But instead of actually going a bit further down, it swept liquidity and then pushed up. And when I came back from working out, I just came back, looked at the chart, and price was at around here. And then I closed off the trade for basically a break even. So 2 losses and 1 break even trade. So yeah, that's pretty much how my day went, and this is where I had my trades planned out. So there is phase B, that very trade that I took right here. And then after an internal reversal, I was looking to take sells, continuing to the downside, but that did not come up, not even once. Phase C ended up continuing to the upside. And yeah, let me just look at Euro USD again and show you guys the plan that I had as well. Yeah, I also had planned to take sells because structure was already on my side, because I have internal structure that I was looking to follow. Just to show you guys the trades that I took today, the 2 losses in the break-even trade, I have them right on screen for you guys to see. I took a screenshot of them, and this is the 1 gold trade that was a loss, the Euro USD trade that was a loss, and the break-even trade right here. And that was pretty much it for the day for me. Didn't want to take any more trades, not part of my plan. But yeah, currently in a losing streak, but that's perfectly fine. Better days to come. You know, this is just part of doing business. You have to stay strong. You have to be mentally strong in order to do all of this. But I don't mind closing a day like this. That's perfectly fine. I'm still up overall, and I'll still take valid trades just as I did today. And also, if you guys like the video, please do like and subscribe, comment as well, and also share the video to anyone. I don't know, anyone, even your mom. I don't care. But thank you for watching though. Have a good evening. See you guys next time.